Hello, boys and girls. Mrs. Garcia here. I'm so excited for today's lesson because we get to learn how to use dictionary skills and really what a dictionary is. So for I can statement today is I can use dictionary skills to find the meaning of a word. So before we start our PowerPoint, I have a brain pop video for you guys to watch that kind of talks a little bit more about a dictionary and how we can use it. It's a few minutes long, but it shouldn't be too long.
Dear Tim and Moby, what do people use dictionaries for, and what's a thesaurus? Thanks, Angela. Hey, let's start with dictionaries. People use a dictionary for a lot of different reasons: to figure out the spelling of words, to find out where a word comes from, or to learn how a word is used. But usually you pull out a dictionary to figure out what a word means. Well, a dictionary is any list of words with their definitions. The words are listed in alphabetical order, so using a dictionary is pretty simple. To help find your way around, there are two guide words at the top of every page. Those tell you the first and last word on the page you're looking at. So if the word you're looking for doesn't fall between those two alphabetically, then you've got to keep looking. Neutron, owl, quicksand, here it is. When you find your word, you'll find a lot more than just the definition. First, you'll see dots in the middle of the word that tell you how to split the word up into its syllables or single sounds. You'll also see a bunch of funny-looking symbols that tell you how to pronounce the word, as long as you know what those symbols mean. And the entry will tell you what part of speech the word is, like N for noun or V for verb, plus how to form the plural. Robots. Finally, you get the definitions. Yeah, a lot of times there are more than one. The definitions are usually put in order of how common they are. So the most common definition...
Okay, so we'll go ahead and stop there. So what is a dictionary? So we can use a dictionary for different things, such as how to spell a word, identifying the meaning of the word, and just like the video was showing us, the different parts of speech of a word. So is it a noun, a verb, whatever that might be. So some things to think about today as we are going through this lesson is throughout the dictionary. One thing we might run into is pronunciation. And so that means just to show how to pronounce or say a word. For example, if you look at the word magazine, right next to it, it shows you how to sound it out or how to pronounce the word. So you have that the exact sound. So magazine, if you look right next to it, and it shows magazine. And you can see that in all of the dictionary words, it will show that. And then a definition. So definition is just really what's the meaning of the word. For example, in the word passenger, the meaning of the word passenger is a person riding on a train, bus, plane, or ship. And just like how the video was showing us, there could be multiple different meanings to a word. So that's why there are multiple definitions. And then finally we have synonyms. Those are words that mean the same thing, such as chalk, board. So chalkboard, a dark surface for writing with chalk, or it is called a blackboard. So it's just another way to say the word. So using a dictionary, so just like how our video was showing us about the guide words, I'm going to talk a little bit more about that. So guide words are at the top of each page in the dictionary. They are helpful because we do not have to look through the whole page. We just have to look at the guide words to help narrow our search for the word. So these two words on the top of the page, boys and girls, are so important because there are so many words in a dictionary. So it's really important to use those guide words up at the top to help you identify your word. So for example, in the picture I have up here on the slide, it says soda and solid. So that means on that page, there's the word soda and many words in between those words, and the last word would be solid. Okay, So for example, if I wanted to look up the word sodium, you can see it. I know it would be on this page because on the top it shows our guide word soda, and sodium is SOD. So I would start from the top and go all the way down until I reach sodium. And it shows me what it is. Okay, so dictionaries are in alphabetical order. So to locate a word in the dictionary, you always want to begin with the first about 3 letters because those are what is going to help you when you're looking for your guide words at the top. So you'll use the guide words at the top of the pages to help narrow your search. And once you've located the page with the first few letters on your word, then you can look for your word, just like how I was saying earlier. So the best way to really understand and identify what a dictionary is to look through one on yourself. And I know many of us are at home, we don't probably have a dictionary. So I know most of us do have some type of tablet. So I'm going to show you which app you can download to help you kind of learn more about a dictionary. And it's going to look different than it would if it was a book. But this just may be able to help you. So it just may be a few minutes. I'm going to go ahead and share my iPad with you guys and stop sharing my PowerPoint. Okay, so many of your iPads look probably like this. So first you will need to go to your app portal. I don't have one on mine, but yours would be blue, kind of similar to this one over here. So you would click on your app portal and then just type in the word dictionary. It might pop up here at the top. You can just click on that right there. And you can download any one of these, whichever one you want. They're pretty much the same. I downloaded the Webster dictionary and I downloaded the dictionary.com for the iPad. So I just downloaded both of those. So once they are downloaded, then you can go into your iPad and you can start looking up some words. So for example, in a dictionary, an actual book dictionary, it would have the guide words on the top. But since we're using our iPad dictionary, it's a little different. So you really can just search the word on the top. Some dictionaries have, the apps have the thesaurus. You don't need to worry about that. We're just going to think about our dictionary. So if we want to look up the meaning of a word, let's see, I might just type in computer. Okay, so it comes up just as if it was a dictionary, like a book. So computer, also called a processor, it tells me the meaning of it and it shows us the parts of speech and then even some related words. So that's just one way that you guys can use a dictionary during this time. If you do have a dictionary at home, let me go ahead and stop sharing. If you guys do have a dictionary at home, please utilize that, feel free. We do have some dictionary activities that we're going to be doing in Seesaw. Other than that, feel free to kind of look through your dictionary, get a little more comfortable with it, and each of your teachers will be meeting with you next, it'd be Wednesday, so on Thursday, and we'll kind of talk more about dictionary and practice our skills. Okay. Bye everyone, have a great day, and I'll see my class tomorrow, and the rest of you, your teachers, will see you. You guys have a great day.